Hi friends, this video I will show you how to make Saudi national address. National address is mandatory for all employees. Okay, the link is in description. You can just click the link and you just change the language English and make registration. Okay, then you have to put your account number, then your date of birth. You are signing up. Now you are registering new account for national address. After that continue, you will get OTP in your Upser account. Okay, here you have to, if you have a national address, it will show you already have account. Now you don't have national address, so it's showing his name. We have to put his personal mobile number and any email. If you have email, you have to put. Okay, then username, you have to he is creating new account, so you have to put his username for his, or he can open his account now. So username, you have to make password, then confirm password, then you have to agree. Make agree, then sign up. Now you will get OTP in his Upser. You have to enter. Once enter, now is account created in Saudi Post. Okay, then now you have to click national address. You have to click national address in his computer, on his in his if we have location on in our computer or our mobile, automatically it will detect our national address. Okay, then you just we put our location, apartment number, the property type, like this. Then after, if we select next, then it will show you our location, and we have to acknowledge, then complete registration. Now we will get another OTP in our Upser account. Once we input, make it confirm. Now our national address confirmed. Now we have to click show address proof. There we can see our address. We can print it or we can save as PDF. If we have national address